We're going to try this new creation, this Imperial Stout. It was a collaboration between myself and my brewer, which happens to be here, Philip Flores, right here.
Exciting.
This is going to be incredible. We've been waiting 8 months already.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, that's getting good.
That is so good. Looking for a great place to park the bike and grab a local craft beer? Big Bear Lake Brewing Company is the right spot for you. Come on, let me show you. Ron, you run a great operation here.
Thanks.
Absolutely. I take it you have been in restaurant a long time.
Pretty much my whole life. I mean, some people say I was born in the back by the potato sacks. My grandfather was a chef, my dad was a chef, became a private business owner himself, and we had family restaurants. By the time I was 16, I was moving out of my family restaurant, worked for very large companies, worked my way up the ladder to vice presidents there, and decided finally it was time for me to do my own stuff.
What would you say your vision is for Big Bear Lake Brewing Company in this community?
My vision for Big Bear Lake Brewing Company is to be the premier brewery in town. Our beer has been very stable for many years. I mean, these recipes are 20 years old, 30 years old from the first time I opened my first brewery. And then we tweak them now and then to meet the different needs, the different grains as years change. I have a new brewer, Philip Flores, and does an incredible job and stays on top of it and is very creative, and a lot of input for our employees of what they would like to see. Philip's very good at understanding their wants and needs. And
my name is Philip Flores. I'm the brewer here at Big Bear Lake Brewing Company, operations manager also. I've been here for almost 9 years at this point, commercially brewing for the last 2. All started in my shed out back with my brother-in-laws doing some home brew, and I've always had interest, and here I am.
Here we go. This looks amazing.
Right on. Thanks, Nick. Can't wait to get a bite of this and a drink of that beer.
I hear this is one of your favorites. That is excellent. Cheers.
Cheers, my friend.
Hi guys, my name is Kaylee Ann Birch, also known as Kale. I'm the general manager here at Big Bear Lake Brewing Company, and I'd love to see you guys in here soon.
Well, Kale, this is great. Seems like you guys are running an awesome operation here. Tight ship, good job. What would you say some of your favorite features are or aspects here at Big Bear Lake Brewing Company?
Well, one thing that I think is important is that we do have a very big family environment, whether that's just for the crowd that we bring in or our team that we have here. You know, there's a lot of creativity that we're able to play with. Our brewer, Philip, he allows us to throw out new ideas for new brews. Our chef always allows us to bring new stuff to the table for all of our specials and everything. And just the kind of creativity that Ron allows us to have to kind of explore a little bit.
Well, I'm really excited to see this awesome new catering truck. Can I see it?
Yeah, absolutely. Let's go take a look.
Is awesome. Show us around.
1991 F700 Ford Rescue rig. This was just the equipment rig when firefighters would take it out on fires, but we took the back end of it out and put a refrigerator.
So great.
So we can have this come out of the side. So I have
awesome
8 kegs cold with 8 taps coming out of the side. Beer, wine. We could do keg cocktails for weddings or special events, full bar setup, whatever you can imagine.
Phil, this is great, man.
Yeah,
thank you. I mean,
absolutely.
kegs on wheels. What?
Yeah.
I'm definitely calling you guys for my next event.
Perfect. Love to be there.
The Avocado Bomb. I am so excited to test this out. Dipping this in soy sauce. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna just break a little piece of it off here. Yum. Yes, that is good. The chocolate porter is so good. This is my favorite. Nice work, Phil. Cheers, man.
Cheers.
Over 16 beers on tap, 8 in-house beers. What? You seriously got to check it out. Come to Big Bear Lake Brewing Company, enjoy a great time. And in the meantime, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more. Take care.